guys, so today I brought my dog. Her name is Kikalizo Ninjas, and she's cute. So Kikalizo Ninja is a Chihuahua Golden Retriever thing, and I just love to sleep with her. Oh, she is so cute. Look at that cool little face. Look at that cool little face. Get the cute little face. Lick them. Okay, you don't want to lick them. Bye.